CAD Website Builder Review. Watch before using. Creating a simple, professional website seems easy, but most people get this wrong. They overcomplicate or overspend on web design. CAD is a lightweight website builder that promises fast, intuitive single-page sites. But is it right for you? CAD allows you to build responsive, one-page websites without coding. The surprising truth is that even free accounts can create visually appealing, mobile-friendly sites suitable for portfolios, landing pages, or personal projects. Paid plans unlock forms, custom domains, and advanced integrations like PayPal or Stripe. Here's how it works. You choose a template, customize text, images, and buttons, and publish your site in minutes. For example, a freelancer can showcase their portfolio and contact info in one seamless page without dealing with complex CMS systems. CAD's drag-and-drop editor makes adjustments simple, and sites load quickly on all devices. Another benefit is affordability. Compared to full-scale website platforms, CAD offers low-cost options while still maintaining quality design. Most people assume building a website requires expensive hosting or professional designers, but CAD proves that isn't always necessary. However, there are limitations. CAD is ideal for simple sites, but not for complex e-commerce stores or multi-page corporate websites. Most people assume it can replace full CMS solutions, but its strength lies in speed, simplicity, and cost-effectiveness. In conclusion, CAD is a perfect choice for individuals or small projects who want a fast, attractive online presence with minimal effort. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of website builders and design tools.